name is Erin, and I'm going to walk you through some easy steps for teaching and assessing the third grade standard, which is to recognize and draw a variety of two-dimensional geometric and organic shapes. I'm going to help you unpack and understand this standard. Be sure to check out the description for the full list of materials. And thanks for joining me today. For additional information and resources, please be sure to visit Learning First System in Canvas or the Fine Arts channel in the third grade team. So, what is a shape? A shape is a flat enclosed area that is two-dimensional, referring to length and height. And these examples of shape that I have on my paper, you can see that they are enclosing shape, and they have width and they have height. Artists use both geometric shapes and organic shapes. So what are geometric shapes and organic shapes, and what are the differences between the two categories of shapes? Well, geometric shapes are ones that are easy identifiable, like circles, triangles, rectangles, and squares. They are typically man-made, have uniform measurements, and are more precise. On the other hand, organic shapes are harder to identify. For examples, what would you call this organic shape? A cloud, a puddle of water, a cotton ball, a puff of smoke? Usually with organic shapes, we describe them based on what they remind us of. These shapes are typically found in nature and have curvy or flowing appearance and are more irregular. Let's look at the different types of shapes in some art. Look at all the different geometric shapes Paul Klee uses in his Castle and Sun painting. Circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles, all different sizes. It reminds me of Legos or wooden building blocks, a very organized, structured, and balanced composition. This is the kind of feeling you can get when you use a lot of geometric shapes in your artwork. In contrast to Klee's painting, look at this print by Henri Matisse called Sorrow of the King. Yes, you can see some geometric shapes in the background, but look at all the organic shapes that comprise the image. Hand shapes, human figure shapes, a guitar shape, and plant life shapes. Unlike the structure we saw in Klee's painting, Matisse uses these organic shapes to create a piece of feeling, movement, and interaction between the three figures. Now, check out these two paintings side by side by artist Alma Thomas. The one on the left is called Splashdown Apollo 13. See how she repeats the same rectangular shape, which is a geometric shape, to create a series of concentric circles, which when you take it all in, one large circle. However, in her other painting on the right, titled Apollo 12 Splashdown, she is still using the repeated rectangular shape, but creates this mountain-like shape with her use of the blues to mimic water splashing. You can also see the large rectangular bands in the background, peachy oranges, pinks, reds, and yellows indicating a sunset. As your students become familiar with recognizing and drawing a variety of both geometric and organic shapes, have them apply their knowledge with this project. Here you can see student work who are demonstrating proficiency, drawing a combination of both shape types. You see geometric shapes and organic shapes. You'll also note that as they overlap, both geometric and organic shapes, there are new shapes that intersect and new spontaneous shapes appear. Be sure to check out the description for the full list of materials, and thanks for joining me today. For additional information and resources, please be sure to visit Learning First System in Canvas or the Fine Arts channel in the third grade team.